Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm taking the GT3 to the track. I'll be going down to Hampton Downs this morning, and this is my first ever track day in New Zealand. So I'm a bit nervous, but it should be a fun day. I will be having an instructor with me and we'll be running 5 sessions today according to the organizer, and also each session will be about 15 minutes on the track. And yeah, I'm glad I'll be able to do this with the GT3. I'll be able to exploit its potential a bit more, pushing it hard and also driving it quick, and listen to that glorious sound of the 9,000 RPM. And hopefully I'll be sharing with you some of my thoughts after the track day and see how the GT3 does on the track. Obviously it's built for the track, so it should be very, very capable and fun on the track. So wish me luck.
Much better. It's on there on one.
We are taking a break between the sessions. There are a lot of Porsches here today. The yellow GT4 RS, the shark blue GT3, the Boxster, and also there is a red GT4 RS there as well. So these cars are obviously built for the track, so everyone's trying to enjoy them on the track. That's really, really good to see.
Yeah.
So we're taking a lunch break after the 3 sessions in the morning. I'm having so much fun. This is really, really great. My first time on the track, and having an instructor next to me is so helpful. Makes me feel more confident on the track and also familiarized with the way to drive and also familiarized with the track much, much quicker. So hopefully I'll be doing, a better lap time in the afternoon. So this is the end of the day. We've done 5 sessions today on the track. I really enjoyed driving my GT3 on the track. It's incredibly thrilling to drive these kind of cars on the track, especially the GT3. It's amazing. It's a very capable car on the track. Obviously, the brakes ran all day without any fade. The engine was glorious and it's very punchy, and also the sound of that 9,000 RPM just adds to the experience. It's such a capable car and handles so well, and just makes you feel very confident on the track. It's not gonna bite you if you drive it right, and also in terms of its handling, because of the double wishbone suspension in the front, it feels very stable through the corners and sort of glues the front end to the track. It's an amazing sensation, and hopefully I'll be doing more track days after today, and hopefully improve my driving skills as well. So please subscribe, and hope you liked today's video with some of the onboard footages and the sound of the amazing 9,000 RPM Flex 6. So thank you again. Hope to see you next time. Bye.